This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint bushier. To encourage fuller growth, regularly pinch off the top 1/3 of your mint stems. Always cut just above a leaf node, which is where new growth emerges. This simple technique signals the plant to branch out, creating a denser, more robust appearance. Consistent pruning, roughly every 2 to 3 weeks, is key to maintaining a lush mint plant. For your mint to thrive and become truly bushy, optimal growing conditions are essential. Mint loves sunlight, so aim for at least 6 hours of direct sun each day. It also prefers well-draining soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Consistent watering is crucial. Keep the soil moist, but never waterlogged, to prevent root issues and promote healthy, abundant foliage. To further support bushy mint growth, consider its nutritional needs and protect it from pests. Fertilize your mint monthly using a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength. This provides the necessary nutrients without overfeeding. Regularly inspect your plants, perhaps weekly, for common pests like spider mites or aphids. If you spot any, address them promptly with organic pest control methods, such as neem oil, to keep your mint healthy. Frequent harvesting is one of the best ways to encourage your mint to become bushier. Don't be shy. Cut stems regularly, always above a leaf node, to stimulate new growth. If your mint plant is looking crowded, consider dividing it every 2 to 3 years to rejuvenate its vigor. This helps prevent it from becoming root-bound and encourages fresh, robust foliage. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.